breakfast. So they have their bento machine, microwave, Sims. Wait lang, love. Still there, go there. And then they have the washing machine here. So 100 yen, 30 minutes. And the dryer. How much is the dryer? So, per may instruction naman. And then, meron dito silang ice. Grabe, free lang yung ice. So, sana all ganyan yung hotel may ice. So, palinis ng washing machine. Let's go. Package na lang dito. So, dahil sila nakapaglinis ng room, nag-iwan sila dito ng mga replenish. Yung mga toothbrush, mga kung ano-ano sa CR, tsaka yung towel, and bathrobe. So, this muna kami. Later na lang. Let's go. So, no-sleeper si Andre ngayon. Tara. Thank you. Di pa kami nag-lunch kasi heavy na yung breakfast namin kanina. Let's go. Wow. Water, baby. Kasi 1 hour ang aming biyahe today. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch. 2 o'clock na. Sa mga 4 o'clock kami makakarating doon sa pupuntahan namin. So, sabi ko, kain muna kami. Kasi hanggang 9 PM pa naman yung store. Mami? Yes, station.
The train at track number 8 is the local train of Takasaki through service to Takasaki
Okay,
and Fukai. The next stop is
saan na kami nakarating ni Andre? No, Dre. We're in the province na. We're outside the Tokyo. JR will go to Neosata. This one. Good luck talaga, Andre. Pasasa ka na dinadala ng mami mo. Let's go. Tayo doon. Kasi doon yung Neosata. Andre. So, new shuttle. Sige kuya, kabayaran mo pa. Ang bongga ka talaga. So, dyan tayo. Let's go get a ticket. Saitama. Let's go. Parang parking lang. Hindi ka talaga uuwin dito. Dahil vending machine lagi. See? Very useful talaga. Dito kami pupunta actually. Diyan, sa tapos, magsasigili kami kasi sabi nila, para daw small Kyoto.
Mini Kyoto.
Mini Kyoto. So, para daw small, mini Kyoto here. Saitama. So, let's see. May sound effect talaga kapag dating ng train. So, nasaan na kami? Di na namin alam. So, maglalakad muna kami ni Andre. Punta kami dun sa Book Off. So, thrift shop siya na pinakamalaki. I mean, isa sa mga malaking thrift shop. Meron naman thrift shop din sa Tokyo, pero suggested nila dito kasi super mura daw talaga dito. So, titingin lang tayo. Curious lang ako kasi first time ko lang papasok sa mga thrift shop. So, let's go. Sana may makita tayong maganda. And mura. Diba? Local be like. Let's go, Andre. Grabe pedestrian nila, oh. Diba? See? Ang linis, grabe.
Do you want to eat somewhere?
Yeah, let's find a good restaurant here. Parang more on more residential yung nandito. Diba? Tahimik. I don't know, even the lolas know how to bike. Why?
I want to buy.
You want to bike also? So peaceful naman dito.
I want to buy.
You want to bike?
I want to bike and leave it here, and then I come back, and then ride it.
Okay. Ang daming mayayaman dito. Napansin ko, yung mga nakapark na kotse, Lexus, Mercedes-Benz, BMW. Siguro mayayaman mga nakatira dito sa Saitama. Ganyan naman yung pedestrian nila. Ang laki-laki, oh. Tapos yung daan, ayan lang, one way lang, oh. Diba? Kamusta naman yung wiggle-wiggle na ano, oh. Yung pedestrian, straight naman yung daan, pero yung pedestrian zigzag. Ay! Thank you, Dre! Wala pa, di alaw dito magpitas. Saan mo pinitas to?
Hide it.
Oh, okay, hide it. I'm gonna keep this. Thank you, anak. Thank you, Andre. So, yun yung pupuntahan namin ni Andre na thrift shop. Book of Super Bazaar. Ayan, guys. Okay, let's go in. Let's go inside. So, it's nasa second floor pala siya. Halika na, Jay. I saw a lot.
No.
Can enter here. Wow. It's so huge. Come on, Trey. I need this. Come on. Let's go. That's so big. Meron bang maliit?
Oh, pinado. Please, mommy, it buys extra.
Extra. So guys, mamaya na lang kasi I'll be busy. Okay? So punta na lang kayo dito pag may time kayo sa Japan. Okay? Bye! Example. Oh, wow! Oh, see? Mga Chanel. Ha? 20,000 lang yan. Grabe. Sobrang mumura nga. Ay, yung mga flap na lang. Wow! So guys, punta na lang kayo dito. So, mga ganyan sila. Ayan guys, so yung mga wallets, passport holders. Sobrang mura lang, grabe. Key holders. Ito naman, Tory Burch. Ayan. So, kailangan ko lang ng isang, grabe yung 15,000 lang itong mga to. Oh. Pero yung iba hindi na good condition eh. Ito, how much to? Yung mga Alma nila. Ah, mahal ng Alma. I have my Alma. So we're done. Kain muna si Andre. So, mag-dinner na kami. So, pepper lunch yung kay Andre. Meron dito sa McDo, sa Japan. So, bigyan natin ito kay Andre. Milkshake. Andre! Love. It's Grimace. Grimace shake. Okay. Try it. It's hard. But it's good, so good, no? It's creamy. Parang siyang smoothie, no?
Actually good, not gonna lie.
You're gonna die because it's so yummy. I'm having my ramen. So, nag-ramen ako. Go, let's eat, Dre. So, pauwi na kami ni Andre. Tapos na kami mag-book off. Ang ganda ng parking nila ng bike. Kuha tayo ng mga pa-idea. So, kailangan di pantay-pantay para magkasya sila. Hey guys! Good morning! So, it's, ano ba ngayon?
18?
Yeah, it's May 18. So, ang plan namin today is mag-Yokohama. Yokohama ang aming agenda today. Sa minsan noodles masiyo, tsaka doon sa may sea aquarium. Kasi gusto daw ni RJ mag-aquarium and yung noodles na hindi namin napuntahan nung pumunta kami ito nung huli dahil close pa. I mean, parang meron silang araw na close. Tuesday ata yun eh. So, wala sila na close sila no every Tuesday. So, ngayon kami pupunta. So, it's 1 p.m. Good luck. Sana magawa namin lahat. Pero doon sa sea aquarium kasi, kinuha namin yung 4 p.m. Here, Andre. 4 p.m. 4 p.m. na schedule. So, ipapanoorin kaming night show mamaya. So, magkano muna kami. Punta muna kami Yokohama. Doon na kami hindi na kami ng ticket. Yung pala niya sa namin. Sa hotel. 1.5 hours. So, good luck talaga tayo. Pasok din sa train. Isa lang yung binabayaran namin na ticket. Wait lang. Check ko muna anong platform kami. Hi! Outfit ni Andre. Tada! So, 1:42 pa yung time ng next train. Time together! Ayan na. Train naman kami ulit. So, next train naman kami ni Anne. We're here at Cayabacho. So, transfer naman kami sa Hibiya line. Ang daming transfer! Coffee pa naman sana ako. At siya na pala yung train. Come on, train. Na kami. Train. Transfer lang kami dito. Ibang lane naman to. Ibang line na. So, ganyan siya. Hibiya line. Then, TY line. So, guys, share ko lang. Yung train sa isang line is may 3 klase yan. So, yung train na sinasakyan namin ngayon is skip by 3s and by 2s. So, hindi pwede yung pag nagkamali ka or lumagpas ka ng station is bababa ka tapos sasakay ka ulit. Hindi pwede yun dito, guys, ha? Kasi yung possible na masakyan mo na susunod na train is by 2s ang skipping or from start to finish. So, it means isang station lang siya mula umpisa hanggang dulo na agad. or worse na masakyan mo is yung kada station dadaanan niya lahat. So, magbase kayo kay Google, better na kumuha kayo ng internet talaga kasi napaka-importante ng internet sa pagsakay nyo ng mga train dito sa mga station sa Japan. Chocolate banana smoothie.
You try it.
Try it, try it.
Yeah, you try it.
Try it, try it. Wait lang, wait lang. Yummy? So, gusto niya water lang daw. Yummy, no? So good. I got mine too. Yeah, favorite ni Andre yan. Pag nasa 7-Eleven siya, ito talaga ba kinukuha niya lagi. Ang cute ng nila, Conan. First floor lang yun. First floor pa lang pala to. Ang lalim. Atara. So this is our way going out. Okay. Going to use information. Let's ask. This here. Okay. This is the whole one.
Please go this way.
Here, this way.
Yes,
Okay.
go out and turn right.
Okay.
Yes.
Then just go straight. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Costco. Grabe, mapagbigay sila talaga, oh. Pilipinas yung pinilit na yan. Right? Yeah. That's not yours. But it's a good cup, you know. Let's go. Go straight, Danny, go. Wait lang. Here. Oh, here. You walk. Pero bibidyoan ka ni Mami habang naglalakad ka siya. Angie! Yeah, ganyan ka. Atras. Okay. Go, Jay. Sa river nila. Ayun. You see, Jay? Look, Angie. Oh. It's nice. Can you see it? No, down there. Can you see the cruise?
Huh?
Ayun, no. Cruise. The ship.
Yeah, I can see the cruise.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
The cruise is so big.
Big. Parang nasa Abu Dhabi. Ayun, no. Talo sa Dubai. So, this is the Noodles Museum. So, parang may field trip yata yung mga bata. Makasabay kami. Tara siya. Ayan yung Noodles Museum. Ayan na, museum ni Andre. Monday. Cup Noodles Museum. One, two, three. Okay. We'll go fall in line there. Okay. Laundry. 4:30 pa kami makakapasok. So, kain muna daw kami sa taas. Oops, careful ah. You go up, Andre. So, while waiting, mag-lunch muna kami. Kasi 4:30 pa ang aming reservation. So, yan siya. 500 yen lang, guys. Tapos yung making ng noodles is 500 din. Libre ang mga high school and kids. Muna tayo sa kanilang museum. Wow! Start from 1958. This is the Instant Noodles History Cube. Yeah. This is 1968. Wow. Yeah, 1992. This is my noodles, 1995. Come here, Angie. So, ayan pa. Marami pa siya. Gio. Ayan, tara. So, ito rin yung mga noodles sila ng 2024. Where is your year? Your noodles year? 20, 13, 16. They don't have 17, only 16. And 19. There's no 17 and 18. Only 16 and... Okay, dyan ka na lang picture. Okay, Andre, move back. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Achi was born 2007. This is the noodles of 2007. Pa dito. Oh, here. I'll take a picture. Come on. Come on, baby. Thank you. So this is the founder. Wow, Ajay, look, oh. Ah, so cute. Okay, go inside, okay? Like, let's queue, let's queue. How cute! Oh, wow! You're in the video now. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You're like an advertisement, baby. Go, move, move, move. Wow. Huh? Go, video si mami, video si mami.
I'm gonna picture you.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna picture you.
Video mo lang si mami. Okay. Thank you. Nurture ideas. What's in here? Come on. Oh. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the ano. I think it's about advertisement. This is how they do their advertisement. Oh, wow. I don't know. The Yam Hokuan. Always on the lookout for a great business opportunity. And then on the eve of a great invention, it started in a hungry country. Oh, he discovered something completely new. For Japanese sweet means ramen. The invention of chicken ramen. So not fun. Come on.
Literally.
Yeah, let's go. So good. Let's go inside. Oh, you can go inside. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just sit here first kasi we're waiting time. Let's just sit first in the bed. Come on. Guys, making these noodles. Bro, you're making your noodles. Huh? We got our cup here. This is the first step, and then next, wash your hands.
Okay? 賞味期限は本日より1ヶ月1マンスデザインできる範囲はこの赤い線と赤い線の間のみとなります二人はそこには
Okay. Let's go, let's go. Hey, this is mine. What you? Wow, so nice. Go, what else? Kaya na namin ng kanyang cup noodles. One piece inspired. Wow. Show to me, Audrey. Come on. Happy? Show to me, baby. Lapit mo sa iyo, love. Yay. Show to me. Show to me. Smile, baby. Cover it, cover it. And then 1, 2, 3, smile. Yan, yan, yan. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. So cute. So, ito ang aming cup noodles. Ay! Wait. Anong pila? Come on, Jay. Let's go. Come on, Jay. Okay.
じゃあどうぞ。カップですべて台の上にお願いします。
Okay.
お使いではないおパッケージです。カップの中きれいにしてからお願いします。こちらのカップのお客様、ハンドルロックや矢印ボックスでお願いします。
Going here.
せーの。1、2、3、4、5、6。OK。それできれいに麺が入りました。
Okay.
お待たせしました。どうぞ。どうぞ。
One more.
せーの。こちら麺にカップをかぶせて反転する方法を4点の発想と言います。こちらもきれいに麺が入りました。トッピングに参りますので、お隣カウンターどうぞ。
I'll go get here.
じゃあこのカップからいきます。こちら、どのスープにしますか？
Cup noodles.
カップヌードル。はい、カップヌードル入れます。はトッピング4つ。
4. Shrimp. And with,
What's not this?
I don't know, this one?
ね。
Yeah.
じゃあこちら、牛とな。
And then corn. Okay. How about you?
このパティに
You choose.
が入れます。
You want the crab?
Topping po tayo.
4. Yeah, you're more better. Okay. Okay. You're better than mommy. Okay, look. Seal the cup.
はい、すみません、お待たせしました。は
Seal the cup.
い、では蓋をつけます。検査をご覧ください。それではいきます。これをね、2回しました。約150度の熱が圧力によってカップに一瞬に蓋をしていきます。海苔や接着剤は一切摂取しないので安心してお召し上がりください。それでは次にフィルム放送に移ります。お手を機械の前にどうぞ。お店に売ってるようなフィルム放送のことをシリップ放送というものです。このようにフィルムはブカブカです。それではこちらのマークをご覧ください。この方は確認の熱に触れています。
Do it vacuum. Wow. Okay, let's seal it now. We'll seal it here. Okay, done. Go, baby. Up. Macy. One more pa, little pa. Go. Okay. Okay, then let's put strings. Here's your string. It's my string. You know how to buhol? Tie it up. You know how to tie? Oh, stop na, stop. Go. Tie mo na. There you go. Hey! Where's your exit? Come on, exit. No, exit. Okay. Kami ng mga kitchens. So, marami siyang souvenirs. Ayan. Meron pa dito. Jay, come here. May mga cups pa. Oh. Cup noodle cups. Andrew, you want?
No.
No? Chicken? It's a chicken. It's you.
Kain?
Order kami ng beef kay Andre. So, ito, mas na yun. That one. Pero yung take 2,000 kasi 200 grams yun. Wow, so yummy the food. Okay, go eat. I love the food. Good steak. So good, bro. Oh. Yummy. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy.
No.
Soft? It's mine. I have my ginger ale. Oh my gosh. Ang pinaka-favorite ko dito sa Japan, yung ginger ale. It's good. Okay, itadakimasu. I want some donuts. This one's milky. Hello. One ice cream? Wait. Oh, here. Pa kami ni Dre. Ice cream daw, ice cream. Yum. Ako kami milky donut. Kami kay Milky. Yum. Gosh, kakaiba yung lasa niya. Lasang cherry ice cream. No? Cherry ice cream. So good. Akala ko strawberry. Lasa siyang cherry. Lasang cherry. So, masarap. Grabe. Ito. So, naalala ko, may Starbucks pala dito. So, mag-Starbucks muna kami ni Andre. Marami pa kaming time. Chilling here at Starbucks. Chilling muna. Mahaba pa naman yung araw. Maaga pa oh. Maliwanag pa sa labas. Kaysa nasa hotel pa tayo, no? Chill muna. Chill. So, di kami nakapag-sea aquarium kasi ang haba pala ng oras dun sa noodles. So, tomorrow, mag-transfer kami ng hotel. Tsaka tayo mag-sea aquarium. Okay? Okay? Oh, baby! Sandry. So cute, Dre. Tignan mo, Dre. Tignan mo. Look. Come on na, let's go. Malamig ha? Malamig. Let's go. We forgot to bring our jackets. Shucks. Go ready. Oh my gosh, ang lamig. So windy. Ha? Naka na. Ngayon natin malalaglag sila, Dre. Nakita mo siya. Nasa, ano siya, kaya Baguio.